This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location and granting permissions so the camera can write geotags. Open Settings and switch location to high accuracy. This improves GPS fixes. Then open your camera app and allow location access and storage so photos can save coordinates. Make sure device date, time, and time zone match network time because metadata uses timestamps. Once done, restart the camera app to apply permissions and proceed to take a test shot to confirm the device records location data correctly. Now focus on getting an accurate geotag every time. Open the camera, enable the geotag or location toggle, and wait for a GPS lock. Look for the location icon or GPS status in the app. Stand with a clear sky view for a stronger satellite fix. Avoid dense urban canyons that degrade accuracy. If your stock camera doesn't tag reliably, install a trusted third-party camera or tagging app that writes EXIF coordinates. Once you see a lock, take multiple shots and verify one photo's metadata to confirm. Finish by verifying and sharing your geotagged photos. Open the photo info or EXIF viewer to read latitude, longitude, and accuracy. This explains how precise the fix is. Export or upload images to mapping tools or cloud storage that preserve metadata, and make sure privacy settings match whether you want to share location. If GPS fails, try toggling location off and on, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios, then retry. This quick reset often restores satellite locks without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.